Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pathways Overseas. Myself Sumit Sharma and I belong to Panipat, Haryana. Thank you for watching our previous video based on basic tips and tricks on describe image. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification for further information. Today we will discuss about basic tips and tricks on Retell lecture. Let's start our topic. First of all, we will get an audio based on any lecture in any topic. We have to listen this video carefully and write down the keywords that we will get from the audio. The audio will be about 45 seconds to 130 minutes. We will have to write down at least 15 to 20 keywords from it, or we can choose phrases or lines as sentence from it. Students do common mistake in doing this section. The common mistakes are given as they do not understand what the speaker is saying, or they do not write the content properly as liking keywords. They do not are in confident manners and they are not in fluent in speaking. Here we will give you some tips and tricks to solve out these problems. Firstly, students should listen the audio properly. They have to write about 15 to 20 keywords. At least they should write 10 keywords from it and they can repeat the sentence in any form. We have 40 seconds to speak in the mic, but when we speak at least 20 to 25 seconds in the mic with proper content, we can accurately get the marks. Now let's start with an example of Retell lecture. I will start a audio and I will write the content as keywords in the following section and I will tell how to use these keywords and how to use a template in doing Retell lecture.
That a lot of people have about raising children bilingually, especially in the preschool year, is based on the conceptualization that the human brain at birth is essentially monolingual. And the reason why coming to this occasion, because often the parents will ask me if they use two languages at home, will their child be confused because they hear in two languages? And parents are often asked my advice about whether they should use one language on parent role, which is widely known as parents who are raising children bilingually. And the reason why most people think this is a good idea is that it will help to reduce the risks of the children being confused, because they were able to associate each language with a separate speaker. The fear is that both parents use both languages, especially if they use both languages interchangeably within the same conversation, within the same sentences. The child will not be able to separate the languages.
I have picked up some sentences as raising children, human brain, birth is essential, parents are worried, two languages, confuse their children, parents are also worried, parents use both languages, children will not able separate the language. Now I will use a template to describe this. Raising the children is the main topic of the lecture. Firstly, the speaker described human brain. Nextly, he told us about birth is essential and parents are worried. Then he told about two languages and confused their children. Then he told about parents are also worried and parents use both language. Then he told about children will not be able to separate. Lastly, the speaker told us about separate the language. To conclude, the lecture was very informative and interesting. So guys, you should be confident and in fluent manner you can speak the Retell lecture in your exam. There will be 2 to 3 Retell lecture in our exam which give moderately marks in our speaking and listening section. So guys, if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.